In this video, I want to talk about how you can cancel an order on Temu. Now keep in mind, to cancel an order, it needs to be in a specific time frame, so you cannot cancel the order while it's already being shipped out. So you need to cancel it quickly, otherwise you cannot cancel it, but then you can return it if you want later. But yeah, that's about it. So what you want to do is, and you can do this on the phone as well, you want to go to your profile and head over to your orders. Inside of here, you should be able to see the order. And what you want to do is you want to go to the order details. So click on it. And once you're inside of the order details, there will be a cancel button if you're eligible for a cancel. So if the item has not been shipped yet, you are able to cancel it and you can simply do it from in there. Now that's about it, guys. Like I said, you can do this on your phone as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.